Mitch Moonshine here. We're talking Soul Grudge Showdown 5. I'm with Chris Rivera. Chris, you got the muscles. You're ready to go, I can tell. How you feeling?
Oh, I was born ready, Mitch. You know, I was born in San Angelo, Texas. There's one thing about Texans. When they get knocked down, they get up, stronger, faster, more intelligent. Last year, Soul Grudge 4, I got knocked down pretty hard. That hit me hard, but you know what? I turned that weakness into a strength. Because this year, Chris Rivera is wrestling in a tag team match with his imaginary friend.
That's right. Friday night, Saturday night. Oh, my name's Ray Yale. My name's Harvard. Oh, I like you so much. So do I. Nice weather.
You get the most imaginary mind in wrestling. You get the most serious mind in wrestling. And come together, we're going to take all comers and take them down hard.
That's right, folks. This weekend at the Off-Center Coliseum, it's going down. Soul Grudge Showdown 5. I know I'm ready. I know they're ready. Let's do this.
Real catch 'em. Hey, blood, real.